Hey there, this is Moksh, and today I'm going to demonstrate some HDFS commands on Hadoop cluster. So let's get started. So here is my Hadoop cluster with 4 instances, and I have one name node and 3 data nodes. Here is the overview of my Hadoop cluster. So I have 3 live nodes. Perfect. So this is the set of command which I'm going to demonstrate today. So let's get started, and in order to use these commands we are going to use putty, and we are going to execute all the commands on the name node. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna load it and start it. So there we go. I'm gonna execute the first command. So GPS, and okay, so it gives me a secondary name node, a job history server, a GPS, and a resource manager. That means we are good to go. So I'm going to execute this command. So what this command actually does is it prints the string into this file. So that's done. Okay, now I'm going to list the files which I have in my Hadoop server. So there we go. So it says I have one temporary folder in my Hadoop system, Hadoop local system. Okay. So let's go to the next command. Copy it and paste it here. So what this command does is it will make a directory named user on my local system. Okay, that's done. So now let's check if the folder has been made or not. So in order to check it, we'll use this command, and it will list all the folders and files under the root directory. So it gives us the user folder. That means this command executed successfully. Sorry. Okay, let's go to the next command. So I'm gonna copy them one by one. It will copy my file.txt and paste it in the user folder. So that's done. Now the next command. Okay, so we are done copying all the commands, and this is done too. Okay, so this should create these files, my file 2 and my file 3 under the folder user. So in order to check it, we'll execute this command. And it will show all the files and folders under the directory user. So as we can see, all the files are copied. That means our command was executed successfully. So now what we'll do is we'll remove all the files starting with my underscore file. So in order to do that, we'll copy this command and paste it here. Okay, so this should remove all the files starting with my underscore file, and it gives us result. So that's done, and now we'll remove the folder user. Let's copy it and paste it here. Okay, this should remove the folder user, and there we go, it's done. So the simple commands of removing and creating files and copying are done. So now we'll run MapReduce on Hadoop. So in order to test the MapReduce jobs, we'll execute this command. Okay, and that's done successfully. So in order to set up the environment for our application, we need to execute this commands. I'll copy it and paste it here, and it will execute one by one. And now I need to hit enter for the last command, and that's done. So environment is set up and running fine. Now we can use the word count job from our MapReduce set of jobs. Using this command, so I'll just copy it, paste it here, and execute it. Okay, so what this command does is it will count the word number of words in the input file, and it will give us the output in the output file. So it has done its job, and in order to see the output, we need to execute this command. Okay, so this command reads the output file, and here we have the output. So these are the word counts, and nice, perfect. We are getting count for all the words here. And that's it for today. Thank you.